Welcome to JSR Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.1 first bit of our rational numbers of class 8. Let us observe question. Name the property involved in the following examples. First one, 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5, which is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. Okay, as soon as you observe this example, this will be similar to the a plus 0, which is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a, which is of a additive identity. That means what is additive identity, which says about rational numbers, means for any rational number a, there exists a rational number which is called as a 0, then such that a plus 0 is equal to a, which is equal to 0 plus a. So by using this, by observing this, we can say that what property which is involved in it, that is of additive identity, existence of additive identity. Okay, if you see the second one, in the second one we have 2 of 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. That is of here, on observing this, we can say that this 2 is distributed to the each term of the numbers which are in the bracket. Okay, we distributed this 2 to the each term of these numbers which are in the bracket. So by observing this can be in the form of a of b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is of distribution of multiplication over addition. This is the formula for distribution of multiplication over addition. Then we can say that what property which is involved in this is distributive property. Okay, now if you see the third question, we have 3 by 7 into 1, which is equal to 3 by 7. This is equal to 1 into 3 by 7. Okay, and by observing this, we can say that this is in the form of a into 1, which is equal to a, which is equal to 1 into a. That means it is a formula for existence of multiplicative identity. What is a multiplicative identity says? That means for any rational number a, there exists a rational number 1 such that a into 1 is equal to a, which is equal to 1 into a. So here what property which is involved in this multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity. And if you see the fourth one, fourth one and third one, which is our same. Okay, so fourth answer is also multiplicative identity. Okay, and if you see this fifth one, in the fifth one we have 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. That means if you observe the LHS and the RHS, in the whatever number first number is there in the LHS, that becomes a second number for the RHS, and second number of LHS becomes first number. That means they interchange the order of numbers. So changing the order of numbers is called the commutative property. And as we have addition sign here, then this is says about the commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Okay, this is a commutative property of addition. And if you see the sixth one we have 5 by 2 into 3 by 7, which is equal to 15 by 14. Okay, so if you take 5 by 2 as a by b, and this is of c by d, the product is again a rational number. That means a by b into c by d is equal to a rational number. That means product of two rational numbers is again a rational number. That means this represents a closure property of multiplication. closure property of multiplication. And if you see the seventh one we have 7a plus of minus 7a, which is equal to 0. This indicates that additive inverse, existence of additive inverse. What is the existence of additive inverse says? That means for any rational number a, there exists another rational number which is of minus a, whose sum is 0. That means this is a if you suppose 7a as a one rational number, for this additive inverse is what? No? Minus 7a. So we can say that this is a additive inverse. And if you see this eighth one we have x into 1 by x, which is equal to 1, which is a multiplicative identity. That means for any rational number a, there exists another rational number which is of 1 by a, whose product is 1. That means this is indicates that multiplicative inverse. Okay, and if you see this next one, which is of last problem in this, that is of 2 into x plus 2 into 6 is equal to 2 of x plus 6. Okay, so this is what distributive property. Here 2 of x plus 6 can be written as 2 into x plus 2 into 6. That is what they have written. So distributive, this represents a distributive property.